Hi foodies, welcome back to Blogging Good Food. In today's mouth-watering episode, we are diving into the world of savory chicken tacos. Explore everything from crock-pot creation to irresistible street-style delight. Let's dive in. First up, let's lay the foundation with some essential chicken tacos knowledge. Whether you are using a crock pot or an instant pot, our chicken taco recipes are sure to delight your taste bud. Chicken tacos recipe is incredibly versatile and easy to make. From shredded chicken to juicy grilled pieces, we have got your taco cravings covered. The secret to outstanding chicken tacos lies in this seasoning. Discover the perfect blend of a spice to elevate your tacos to the next level. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of taco creations. From street style favorites to healthy alternatives, there is a taco for everyone. Craving the authentic flavor of the street. Our chicken street taco recipe will transport you straight to Mexico. Looking for a healthier twist on your tacos? We have got some mouth-watering options that are as nutritious as they are delicious. Taco night is always a hit, and we are here to inspire your dinner plans with these fantastic taco ideas. Wow your guest with a taco dinner spread that is as visually appealing as it is tasty. Explore a variety of taco meats that will leave everyone at the table satisfied. For our vegetarian friends and those looking for meatless alternative, let's dive into the world of mouth-watering vegetarian taco creations. These grilled portobello mushroom tacos are a delightful combination of earthy flavors and savory seasoning, perfect for vegetarians and mushroom lovers alike. Discover a range of vegan taco fillings that will satisfy your taste buds while keeping your meal plant-based and nutritious. There you have it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to Blogging Good Food for more delectable recipes and culinary tips. Don't forget to visit our website blogginggoodfood.com. Until next time, happy cooking, taco lovers!